Gunpla daily here. Take 2. Gelgoog Marine Cima Custom. What did I say the first time? High quality plastic, big panels, streamline the build process. Not molded in gray here for some reason. That's a problem. This should be gray, this should be gray. Machine gun is purple, or maroon, or whatever this color is. That's a problem. Other than that, everything else is pretty good. I like that it comes with the extra, what is that, 10 millimeter? I don't know, it's 10 something machine gun. But it also comes with the Gelgoog rifle, which may be exclusive to this Gelgoog. So I think the Gelgoog has a different gun normally. But anyway, you get that, you get this, you get the beam sabers, of course. The fucking handles are the wrong color, but okay. Little bit of work, this could be a good kit. But yeah, we'll get to it. You done recording? Stop recording, we're done. That's it. Hit that button.